Judith is here and she has a question. Do you know how I know she has a question? It says question in front of her question. That is a great idea. I won't miss it if you put question in front of that. I'd like to know the difference in pronunciation between, wet and wet. What kind of sentence would you use them? All right, so wet. I'm going to have to write this down, won't I? Or I can just say the one with the H. So WHET and WET. So I'm actually going to write something down here. So you might hear this, wet your whistle. Okay. And I will, it's spelled like this. Yeah, wet your whistle, wet your appetite. You will hear that. And I don't think a lot of people know there's a difference in the spelling for that. But when you say wet your whistle, wet your appetite, it means you're giving somebody a little bit of a taste of something. It might be food, but it might not be actually food. And what I mean by that is maybe you just get a little preview of something. Maybe you get a little sample. All right, big movie released in the United States this weekend. Spider-Man. I think it's Far From Home, the third one. So the movie companies, they will release what we call in English a trailer. So it's like 2 minutes of the movie, and that is designed to wet your whistle, wet your appetite to make you want to go and see the whole movie. So wet your whistle, give you just a little taste so you want more. And that is the correct spelling. Now, the other wet, I think if you've been studying English for a couple years, if you understand most of what I'm saying, you know wet has something to do with water. And it just means to it's hard to define, but it's like you get water on you, right? Speaking of water, I should hydrate.